Today I will be doing a butterfly knife trick. So it's like, wait, hold on. Sorry. My name is Dragon Ball Z Gamer 68 here. Today I'm going to be doing that. I got my butterfly knife. How to do that trick is real simple. So first, hold it by this side, the blade, like that. First, flick it out. You gotta, so if my hands go out of frame, let go, catch, let drop, and then there we go. So it should probably, hold on, it should look like this. That's hard, I just got this yesterday. I keep dropping it. I'm careless. Okay, it should look like, hold on, it should look like this. Okay, and you're pretty much all good for that. You're pretty much all good. Once you're done, put the catcher in, and I will see you next time for my new gaming videos. Bye-bye.